Hi there, this is Randy Jenny, and I'm going to show you how you can incorporate live data into Excel. So I've got some countries listed here. If I highlight the names of the countries and go to the Data tab and choose Geography, it then understands, you can see these extra icons, so it understands those as countries. And if I drop down this menu, I've got a huge number of fields that I can use. So I could bring in population, I could bring in, I could bring in birth rates. I can do the same sort of thing for stocks. So if I highlight these 4 stocks, I can click on Data Stocks and use the same little menu to maybe bring up the high and maybe the low and maybe the percent change. And it even understands provinces. So if you highlight these province names and go to Geography, we have about a dozen fields we can bring up, like population or maybe time zone. What does that look like? Good. Thanks very much.